Hey there, kitchen warriors, ready to reclaim your counter space and finally get organized? I've got 7 game-changing hacks that'll transform your kitchen faster than you can say, "Where's my spatula?" Let's dive in and make some magic happen. Welcome to your kitchen makeover. I'm about to show you 7 killer organization hacks you can copy today. The best part? All these items have budget-friendly options. You'll find links to everything in the description, so let's get started. First up, we're tackling that mountain of dishes eating up your counter space. You know the drill. You finish cooking and suddenly there's no room to even set down a glass. Enter the over-the-sink drying rack. This genius invention slides right over your sink, giving those dishes a place to drip dry without hogging your precious counter real estate. They come in different sizes and materials, so you can find one that fits your sink perfectly. Just imagine, a clear counter and happy dishes drying effortlessly above your sink. Sounds like a win-win, right? If you're looking for a solid option, check out the expandable stainless steel model I've linked below. It's a game changer, trust me. Moving on to hack number 2, let's talk drawers. Open up that utensil drawer. Go ahead, I'll wait. Bit of a mess in there, huh? Time to bring order to the chaos with drawer dividers and expandable organizers. These nifty gadgets transform your jumbled drawer into a beautifully organized space where everything has its place. No more digging for that elusive potato peeler. I'm a big fan of the bamboo expandable organizers. They look great and adjust to fit most drawer sizes. You'll find a link to my favorite below if you want to check them out. Hack 3 is all about going vertical. We're talking lids, pans, and cutting boards standing tall and proud instead of cluttering up your cabinets. Magnetic or shelf-style vertical dividers are your new best friends here. Picture your pot lids neatly lined up, easy to grab when you need them. And for a budget-friendly DIY option, you can even use cheap shelf dividers to create your own vertical storage solution. It's like magic for your cabinet space. Now, let's free up some cupboard space with hack number 4. Command strip hooks and wall rails are about to become your kitchen's secret weapon. Imagine your favorite mugs hanging neatly on the wall, freeing up valuable shelf space, or a row of cooking utensils, ready and waiting for your next culinary adventure. It's practical, it looks great, and it makes your kitchen feel like a cozy cafe. Win-win-win. Hack 5 is all about clarity, literally. We're talking stackable clear canisters for your pantry. Not only do they look sleek, but they also help you see exactly what you've got and how much is left. No more buying duplicates or letting things go to waste in the back of the cupboard. Plus, they keep your dry goods fresh and your counters clutter-free. I've linked a set I swear by in the description. They're durable, airtight, and come with labels. Your pantry will thank you. For hack 6, we're rolling out the big guns. Or should I say, the slim guns. A narrow rolling cart is perfect for those awkward spaces inside cabinets or next to the fridge. Use it for spices, oils, or even small appliances. The best part? You can wheel it out when you need it and tuck it away when you don't. It's like having a secret extra cabinet that appears on demand. Check out the compact utility cart I've recommended. It's a total space saver. Last but not least, hack 7 is all about maximizing those often forgotten spaces. We're talking undershelf and undersink pull-out organizers. These clever trays slide out, giving you easy access to cleaning supplies or whatever else you need to stash away. And the space above? Suddenly free for all sorts of storage possibilities. It's like finding extra square footage you didn't even know you had. All right, let us do a quick recap of our kitchen changing. Now, if you're wondering which products to start with, I'd highly recommend checking out the over-the-sink drying rack and the stackable clear canisters. They're game changers that won't break the bank. Before you go, if you want the exact products I recommend, take a look at the pinned comment and description below. These are my honest picks, and yes, some of the links are affiliate links, but that doesn't cost you anything extra. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more smart home hacks coming your way. Your organized kitchen journey starts now. Let's do this.